Hi everyone, Carrie again here, and I'm going to be doing another unboxing of one of Crafters Companion's monthly subscription boxes. And this particular one is for Cute as a Button, and it really is. And I was lucky enough, this is actually my second one of this, I was lucky enough to find it at a store discounted for $12.99. And so that's a wonderful thing when you consider these basically retail for about $25, plus you normally have to pay shipping and tax. This one is number 15 in her series, and so that puts it into the second year, I believe. She's in her third year now, I think, on these. But this one I've enjoyed already making cards on it. And so let's go ahead and open her up and see what's in there. And as usual, it has her signature tissue paper and picture inside the box. Now I'm going to go ahead and lift out the contents on this one. There we go. And the crux to this one is these buttons. And they come, it looks like, in different sizes, along with different colors, and you would be putting those onto your cardstock, and they complement the stamps. So let's go ahead and get started and see what's in here besides the buttons. We start out with your obligatory envelopes and your card blanks, and it looks like we have a couple different sizes on that, so that's nice to be able to create. And my first thought on the button ones is I thought about for nursery, for baby cards and things. I think these would be really cute for that. So most of them that I've tried already, that's what they've been. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you what else is in the kit. So this is the first set of stamps. And if you can look here, these are kind of hard to see because they're clear, because they've left an area, if you will look here, for the button, and that tells you basically the size that you would need once you do the stamp. And so you can see this one I've done already. It's really cute with the elephant and the baby elephants and the bunny. I've used that one also. That is the first set of stamps for this. This is the second set, and I've used a little baby carriage to make a baby one. And you see over here we have some flowers, a sunflower, I'm looking forward to trying that one, along with some balloons over here. So two lovely 6-inch sets. It comes with some nice standard dies, and so you have a nice big circle that you can do some apertures on your cards. You have squares that you can use for the same thing, along with the heart. And that is actually how I've utilized these, is for cutting shapes on my front card. And then I have a stamp possibly on the inside that then you could see through that hole. Then we have the colored cardstock. And this comes in an 8-inch. The boxes are 8-inch, so everything in them is limited to no larger than 8 inches, which is fine because once you cut it for even a 5x7 card, 8-inch paper is plenty for that. And so we have, looks like 3 of each sheet, a couple of different prints. The color palette ranges, it looks like, from red, yellow, a little bit of a mint green. Then we also have the solid, also 8-inch colored cardstock to use. And with it, you can see here the colors. We got some orange, some red, some darker red, yellow, peach, yellow, white, and the mint green. Now, this particular kit, I don't see any ribbon, which she often has. I don't see any of the little dots, but I think you're all right on this. I mean, this is a lot. I believe there's 300 buttons in here, So there's quite a bit on that to be able to make cards and things. And of course you can substitute your own buttons that fit the size also. So that is Cute as a Button craft kit here. And I hope you enjoy seeing what's in this lovely box if you're lucky enough to get a hold of one.